Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to use HubSpot CRM. It's a tutorial for beginners so we can start from the scratch so you will understand what we are going to do and what is so important once you're starting for the HubSpot. So before we go further, let me tell you why HubSpot is so important other than CRM. So obviously it offers various tools out there like website building, social media management, email marketing, customer relationship management, which is CRM, and many more. In simple terms, HubSpot is like a digital toolbox that helps businesses attract customers, engage with them, and organize information about them in one central piece. So you can see we have some business partnership with HubSpot over here. You can see we have Reddit, we have Unipart, Eventbrite, and we have more over here if you scroll. So let's get started. First of all, obviously they have some pricing plans, but we will talk about this later on at the end of this video. Right now, I'm going to click on Get Started for free. So once you click on that, you will end up over here, and here you can just go with the Google account or Microsoft account, or you can use your own email address. So I'm going to do that and meet you at the dashboard of HubSpot. Once you've done all of that, you will end up over here. Here you can see this is very new account which I have created, and this is the free version by the way, so just remember that. And on the top, we have contacts, conversation, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. As the name suggests, contacts, we are going to add contacts and delete contacts from over here. And you can see at the first over here, your sales tools progress. So this is what we are going to do right now. The first thing which we need to do, import your contacts. How you can do that? Just click on Start Task over here, and you can see you can just create new contact from over here. And you can invite your team also from over here. But on the left side, if I close this, at the top, we have contacts as well. And you can do the same stuff which we are going to do over here. This is all the shorts which they are showing you, which you can do from over here as well. But if you somehow forget this and try to go for this one, just click on contacts and you will end up over here. So these are some examples which they have already added for us. And at the top right corner, we have create contact and import. Obviously, you can import contact from over here. And this should be a CSV file or any file you want to add. You can also do that from over here. And just create a contact, just click on that. I'll set up myself, just click on this. And on the right side, we have so many options over here. We have email, first name and last name, which is very important. And once you do that, you can just create your new contact. So this is how you can create your contacts over here. And you have your own contacts over here and your unassigned contacts over here. You can also create more views like this. So you can create like the old contacts number. You want to create that. You can also do that from over here. So these are very basic things. And the first thing, which is this one. So make sure to go ahead and do this. So once you create the contact, you will see the progress at the top. But other than we have one more option which you need to do, invite your team. Obviously, you just need to click on invite your team from over here. Once you click on that, you just need to enter their email address over here. And after that, click on send invite. But there is one more thing which you can do. You can see that we have make super admin. You can uncheck this if you want. If that person you want to make a super admin, you can leave it as it is. But if you see this something like set custom access permission, you just need to click on this option and it will take you right over here. Here you can easily enter their email address, whoever you are going to add, or you can create multiple users at once. But there's one more thing which is very useful. Once you are going to enter their address over here, obviously you can add multiple addresses over here as you can see. Just click on next and you will end up over here. Here you can see permissions. You can uncheck permissions if you don't want this person to watch your CRM projects or CRM tools or marketing tools. It depends on you, whatever the access you are giving to this person. After that, you just need to click on at the bottom right corner, create user. That's it. So this is one of the way you can create or invite your team. The next thing you can do on your HubSpot is create your email. Obviously, you need an email to create a campaign for emails. At the top, you will see marketing. Once you click on that, we have emails option. Click on that and it will take you right over here. At the bottom, obviously, if you haven't created any email, you will see 0 marketing emails. And if you have created, you will see some over here. But at the top right corner, you just need to click on create email. Once you click on that, you will see something like this. We have regular, automated, and blog. You can go either any one of them. I'm going with this one, regular, and you will end up over here. So I'm going to click on close store and you will see all the templates over here. We have welcome, simple, promotion, plain email, newsletter, and other one of them. So you can go any one of them and start working on it. Obviously, if you are creating your email for promotion, you can go with this one and start editing. Obviously, you can preview it by clicking on this option. I'm going with this one, welcome. And once you click on this, on the left side, you will see all the fields related to it. And on the right side, all the work will be over here. And if you want to change anything, just click on that. At the left side, we will see the properties of that specific thing you have selected and you can start editing that. So here you can see you can replace the logo if you want. This is the logo, not a text by the way. So you can just remove this and you can resize it if you want. And if you want to add something over here, you can also do that. If you want to edit this, all of this, just easily just select this like this, and you can add stuff over here. So this is one of the way you can add and create email campaign from over here. Once you've done this, at the top right corner, we have review and send, or you can go with the settings right now and you can select anything which is necessary for your email. Over here, you will see subject line, internal email, name. At the top, we have send or schedule. You can also do that. Send to recipient. Obviously, select the contact, whichever contact you have created. Right now, I'm just going to select the one which I have given by HubSpot itself. And don't send to just select those people if you don't want to send some specific people. After that, you can go ahead and select automation if you want. Automation is a very different tutorial. If you need this, just comment down below. And once you've done all of this, just click on review and send. This is how you can create your email campaign. Here you can see you can track your deals in one place as well. Just click on this option and it will open up something like this, and you can create a deal pipeline from over here. Just click on that, you will end up over here. This is going to be sales pipeline. I'm not going to change anything. Just click on next, appointment schedule, qualified to buy, and presentation scheduled. So you can add or you can remove it if you want. These are the some stages name. At the right side, you will see the preview, how it is going to be look like. Just click on next, and here you can see closing stage would be these two, and obviously later on you can add more. So just click on create new over here. You can enter the deal name. So I'm going to write sales, and amount is going to be 2000. After that, next, and click on see your pipeline. And if you want to see your deals, you can just go ahead and click on sales and click on deals, and it will open up something like this. And you can see over here at the right side your amount and your deal stage and your deal name. And whenever the deal is going to be closed, the time will be over here as well. So this is how you are going to create deals. You can also invite your team at the bottom left corner. As you can see, invite your team from over here. And at the top, we have view your plans. So let's see how many plans are there. Just click on this option and it will take you right over here. This is the one which we are using right now. You can click on see all features. What are they providing us? You can see from over here. We have these also available for like starter and professional and enterprise. You can see on the left side, these are the products for marketing. We have sales, services, and other as well. So you can go ahead and see that like who has live chat, who has customer portal, or who has single sign on. So it depends on you, whatever you are going for right now. And if you click on free tools at the top, we can see there what things we have. Free marketing tools, we have free sales tools, service tools, CMS tools, operation tools, and commerce tools, which we were talking about. So these are the things which you can get from free version. But you can go with the customer platform as well. And these are the some other stuff as well. So there are a lot of plans which you can choose it from, and other stuff like the specific stuff which you are going for, they can provide you. So in my opinion, HubSpot offers a free version of its CRM, making it accessible of businesses of all sizes, especially smaller ones. This allows companies to get started with CRM without any significant upfront costs. So at the top, we have a lot of stuff like in marketing, we can see ads, email, landing pages, and website has different blog templates, and website pages have different templates which you can start from. And on the left side, we have SEO, social campaign. Obviously, they have some features of pro version as well, but you can also use them as well. We have design tools and forms as well. We have sales like these, which I have shown you. You can create tasks if you want. You have your documents. You can upload your documents as much as you want. You can schedule your meetings from over here. You can add your products from over here. And we have commerce like payments, invoices. These all are free over here. In my opinion, they are providing you a lot of stuff. And if you click on dashboard in reportings, obviously you will see a whole progress, whatever you are doing on HubSpot. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use HubSpot CRM as a beginner. I hope you understand every single thing. And if you having any problem, make sure to comment down below so we can create a specific video for it. So that's it. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.